The berenstain bears, seashell treasures. The bear family was going to the seashore. They were going across a bridge. The bridge went to Laughing Goat Island. It was called Laughing Goat Island because so many laughing goats lived there. Ha, 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 cried the laughing goats as they sailed across the sky. Will we be there soon? asked Sister Bear. Yes, said Papa Bear. Do you see that house on the beach? That is where we are going to stay. The bear family unpacked the car. They carried their things into the house. Brother, sister, and Papa Bear put on their swimming suits. Mama decided to wait until later. Come, Papa, said the brother. Let's go to the beach. Said Papa. I found something in the closet. What is it? Asked brother. It is a map, said Papa. An old pirate treasure map. Really, my dear, said Mama. It says this place used to be called Pirate's Cove, said Papa. It says that pirates buried their booty here. What is a booty, Papa? asked Sister. It is treasures, said Papa. Pirate treasure, you know, gold, silver, diamonds, and rubies. Now really, my dear, said Mama, do you think the map is real? asked brother. There's only one way to find out, said Papa. Follow me. Papa got a shovel. They went down to the beach. It was a bright sunny day. The sea sparkled. Waves crashed upon the shore. Ha, 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 cried the laughing ghost. Papa began to dig. The cove splashed in the sea. Have you found any treasure yet? Said Papa. Asked brother. Not so far, said Papa. All I have found are some old shells. What is this one, Papa? asked Sister. That is a clam shell, said Papa. It is big and gray, said Sister. What is this one? asked brother. That is an oyster shell, said Papa. It is funky and black, said brother. Papa looked at the treasure map. She said. This must not be the right spot. He moved it to another spot and dug some more. Any treasure yet, Papa? asked the brother. No, just more old shells, said Papa. What is this one? asked the brother. That is a sculpture shell, said Papa. It is pretty and pink, said Sister. What are shells for? asked brother. Shells are the homes for some sea animals, said Papa. The clam shell was the home for a clam. The oyster shell was the home for an oyster. The scallop shell was the home for scallop. The Sun shone down. The sea sparkled. Waves crashed up on the shore. Ha, 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 cried the laughing ghost. Papa, what happened to the clown, the author, and the sculptor? asked sister. I guess maybe the laughing ghost got them, said Papa. Papa looked at the map again. He said, this must not be the right spot. He went to another spot and did some more. Any treasure yet? asked sister. I'm afraid not, said Papa. Just more old shells. You know something, said Papa. Digging for treasure is hard work. Said Papa. Do you think those girls are laughing at us and our treasure hunt? No way, said brother. We came looking for treasure and we found it. We found the treasure of the sea. That's right, said sister. A whole bucket full. Time for a dip, said Papa. After they cooled off, they headed back to house to show Mama their treasure. Papa, said brother, what are you going to do with the treasure map? Said Papa. I may just leave it in the closet for the next Papa Bear. The end.